subscribe my channel.
Saw continuous heavy rain last night, which has disrupted normal life this morning in many of the low-lying areas. As you can see, there's a major water logging being experienced there. People wading through that water. Areas received heavy rainfall, including Thane and the western suburbs of the city, and with the rain still continuing with some intense spells, the weather department has warned of a flood-like situation in the low-lying areas. In fact, we're already seeing that water logging that is taking place in many parts of Mumbai, and as we said, more moderate to heavy rainfall expected today. Even the Mumbai police has tweeted out warning people that there's water logging in various parts at the Vaikula police station, Minara Masjid, the other railway station, Wadipur Jin and Hindamata as well. And two trains have been cancelled. Several trains have also been rescheduled. So Mumbaikars really need to look at the forecast and the situation. Exactly, in fact, when I tried to get to work, these were the scenes that greeted me. So obviously I haven't been able to get to work. This is right outside my house. So, and this is because this is an area that usually doesn't flood. Except in extremely heavy rainfall incidents. Now, what we are hearing is about 200 millimeters, between 200 millimeters rainfall, and more than that in the western suburbs. But you can see cars submerged, people wading through water entering shops, and this is actually a road, a main road, but resembling a river now, given the amount of heavy rainfall that the city has seen in the last 24 hours, given especially in the last 12 hours or so. The heavy rain started in around, at around 8 o'clock last night. And since then, of course, the situation has been like this. Obviously, in times of COVID-19, social distancing going for a toss, many without masks as well. But obviously, this kind of situation increases, the challenge for civic authorities. You can see this road completely flooded. And this is what the situation is in several parts of Mumbai, especially low-lying areas. This is an area that usually doesn't flood. But even here, given the extremely heavy rainfall, we are seeing, water has entered the shops on the other side of the road, and also completely waterlogged, people wading into knee-deep water simply to get to their vehicle, which they parked overnight at some places, and at least knee-deep water, if not waist-deep, at the middle of the road. But the similar scenes being reported across Mumbai as well.
Let's bring you an update now from Mumbai, because heavy rainfall continues to lash the city of Mumbai, leaving several areas inundated. Torrential rainfall last night resulted into a landslide even in posh Malabar Hills. A retaining wall abutting the hillside collapsed, and that mud entered as well. However, take a look at this for the people as well. So there are different areas that has faced inconvenience. We are also hearing reports from different areas of Chembur, and also about different hospitals where there is this inundated and flooded situations as well. Several areas, including Mumbai, receiving 173 millimeter rainfall in last 24 hours. Heavy water logging in Vaikula. Local passenger train services in Mumbai also affected. Train services in different areas of Central and Harbour lines have been suspended, while Western Railway is functioning as usual. However, Chief Justice of Maharashtra has declared a holiday today for the Bombay High Court because the staff was even unable to reach their site. The Met Department has predicted a cloudy sky with heavy rainfall for Mumbai. Municipal Corporation has visited several areas. BMC declaring holiday for private and government establishments.
We are outside Nair Hospital near Mumbai Central. You can see it's partially submerged in rainwater. Heavy rains have inundated many such facilities. Nair Hospital is a COVID facility. Given heavy rainfall in Mumbai, it is causing a lot of trouble to the patients who are coming to Nair Hospital. It's difficult for the hospital authorities also to carry out function, for the staff to travel. There are many schools, colleges and offices like this in Mumbai who are inundated with water. That's why the BMC has announced a holiday, but this is unprecedented rainfall in Mumbai, leading to Mumbai coming to a complete standstill.
मैं मुंबई के सब नागरिकों को आह्वान करना चाहूँगा कि आप अपने घर पे रहें, क्योंकि लोकल रेलवे भी अभी बंद हो चुकी है
ये बारिश रुकने वाली नहीं है। आज और 24 घंटे का अलर्ट भी घोषित किया गया है और हमने भी हमारे एनडीआरएफ के 5 टीमों को तैयार रहने के लिए, रेडी रहने के लिए कहा गया है। एनडीआरएफ, एसडीआरएफ की सब टीम इसके लिए तैयार है और इस स्थिति में मुंबईकर अपने घर पे रहे, सुरक्षित रहे, बाहर नहीं निकले, यही मैं आह्वान करूं।